Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming edit access and cleaning anything that will break layout, like unresolved comments or incompatible add-ons. Once done, open the Google Doc because the download action reads the live formatting. Make sure page size and margins are correct. Word will mirror them. Then go to File, choose Download and select Microsoft Word. DocX. Doing this first creates a native DocX file that preserves most styling and lets you continue in Word without reformatting. After selecting, DocX, save to a known folder so you can locate the file quickly. Open that file in Word to inspect headings, numbered lists, tables, and images because these elements sometimes shift. If fonts differ, choose an equivalent or embed fonts through Word's options. Check page breaks and Widows/orphan control. Small tweaks here prevent layout shifts when printing. Once verified, save your corrected DocX. Now it behaves like any Word document on your device. To finalize, use Word Save As to set file name and format, or export to create a PDF if needed. If you spot stubborn formatting issues, go back to Google Docs, simplify styling, remove custom styles or complex tables, and re-download. Simplified documents convert more reliably. If images move or lose quality, reinsert them in Word as PNG or JPEG. One key tip: if conversion fails repeatedly, download as ODT, then open in Word or use
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.